Hi, welcome to the fifth webinar in the series of 6 on Tariff 10 with Sue Swift. Right, this one is on lymphedema charges. Newmark Information Services get quite a few calls on lymphedema charges. So I'm just going to discuss a few scenarios. So here we go. Right, a few examples. It's jobs custom fit class 1. Now, of course, there are many other lymphedema manufacturers, but if you had 4 jobs custom fit and all of the same class, so as an example, it would be class 1. There would only be 1 professional fee and there would be 1 patient charge. Now, if you had jobs custom fit class 1 in the thigh high and then a jobs Elvrex custom fit class 2, now there would be 2 patient fees and also 2 professional fees. Now the reason for this is the actual class has changed. Now you could still have 4 stockings in either one and it would still be 2 professional fees and 2 patient charges. Now going on to jobs custom fit class 1 thigh high, 2 garments and 1 Elvrex custom fit body bandage, that again would be 2 professional fees and 2 patient charges, and that is because of the body bandage, which would attract an extra patient charge. Again, it doesn't matter how many quantity there would be of each, it would still be 2 charges. Going on to another example of jobs Elvrex custom fit class 1, thigh high stocking 2 garments and a silicone band for lymphedema garments for lower extremities, there would only be 1 professional fee and 1 patient charge. Now these sort of the silicone band are the optional extras which are at the bottom of the page, usually in the drug tariff. Now these should always be listed on the script separately. So they should have a line or dots in between each one, and you should claim for these separately. So the patient doesn't have to pay for them, but again, you must claim for them. And as I say, I will show you an example of these in a moment. Another one is a good example is something like the jobs Elvrex arm sleeve with gauntlet and the 10 jobs fingers. Now again, that would only be 1 patient charge and 1 professional fee. Now I'm just going to show you an example of the drug tariff. Now this actually shows you an arm sleeve and also the additional garments which are at the bottom, which are priced as well for each of the garments. So you can see here that you've got the seamless finger and the price of £3.96. Now that is per finger £3.96. So the doctor would have to specify how many fingers to put down and the price you would have to put down to be endorsed. Now that is up to you to endorse the correct price and the exact quantity as well. Now this is very important because this is where a lot of pharmacies do lose out on their endorsing on these additional extras. Again, you've got the codes for the arm sleeve up above, which have to be listed correctly as well. The codes are very similar on a lot of the lymphedema garments. And again, as I say, always, if you have any of these prescriptions and are a little bit confused, please just fax them over to information services, just blocking out the patient's details, and we'll have a look at them for you and give you a quick call back and let you know how many patient charges or how to endorse it correctly. And we do it very quickly. It's not an issue, but just remember to block out the patient's details. I'm just going to move back to the slide here to show you the difference between lymphedema garments and stockings, and that there are no, even though there's like one charge for lymphedema garments, there is, when it comes to stockings and compression stockings. So here we go. So lymphedema charges, you will find that on a lot of them it is one patient charge, but when it comes to normal elastic stockings, there'll be one charge per stocking, and that is so if there was 8 stockings, there will be 8 patient charges. So it will be more sensible for the patient to have a prepayment card. So at information services, we have a lot of calls on clinical queries, drug tariff, malaria and travel, vaccine queries, controlled drug queries. We do ask, if you do call us up with controlled drug queries, to usually fax us over the prescription so we can actually see it. The reason we do this is so that we can see if anything is missing off the script that doesn't meet the legal requirements for a controlled drug prescription, which also covers you and also covers us as well, because on the phone it's very difficult sometimes to actually imagine what you're actually seeing. So we do ask you to fax those over. We get a few GPHC and inspection queries, and also a lot of pharmacy practice queries. You can call us on 0800 783 5709 and it's option 2. So as I say, you can call us anytime. We do wish that you please quote your Newmark membership number. Thank you for watching.